Are you singing for Nana?
You need to clear these off. Should I just erase all of them?
No.
Why? We have all in one computer.
Not all of them. Right. So the next time we put them on the computer, I'll delete them all then. Oh, you're still singing? Riley. What? What? Who are you? Hi, big girl. You're lifting your head up. Oh, okay. You're angry. Goodbye.